What is going on, my friends? Vitai Dubin is here and welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. If you think the crypto markets has grown a lot, think again, because the coming growth is absolutely going to blow your mind. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 L1 projects that some of them are very undervalued right now. Going to share with you, of course, Bitcoin technical analysis and what are the latest news that are spurring more adoption, more growth, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, so many things to talk about. Tune in, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started, guys. We are seeing the market is up of $2 trillion still, so that's a very good sign. Bitcoin, there is nothing right now really changed in the last couple of days. We are still going towards the next level of resistance, which is $47,000, and we're still trading for the last year in this channel, right? So we're kind of waiting until finally we're going to essentially go out of this channel and create a new all-time high, which was a move that is going to be very, very explosive. This has not started yet, but all the analytics and on-chain and the adoption is telling us that we have one more big major move that is coming right now, and we are on target. We are definitely on target right now. Things are looking good. You can see on the monthly that we have not created lower low, so that's very good. I told you guys, be patient, because this can break out at any time right now, and Bitcoin closing above the $47,000 will really propel it to the next big move towards the previous all-time highs. Now, the first big news: Warren Buffett investing $1 billion in Bitcoin-friendly neobank, dumping Visa and MasterCard stocks. And Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors, actually has been notorious for telling Bitcoin is a red poison squared. He didn't believe into Bitcoin, but guess what? His more and more money of his portfolio has direct and indirect exposure to Bitcoin and similar cryptocurrencies. So there you go. Even if he doesn't buy Bitcoin directly, he is buying companies and banks that have exposure to the crypto markets. Another big news of today: Metaverse crypto Decentraland up after JP Morgan, one of the biggest banks in USA, the very first bank, is opening a bank account in the metaverse of Decentraland. How crazy it is, calling it a $1 trillion opportunity niche. This is how it looks like. Pretty cool. Soon you are going to be able to walk up into those branches of the bank on Metaverse. How cool is that? So that's amazing news for the NFTs, for the Metaverse, and of course the tokens. They're rising today based on this news, because if JP Morgan is there, other banks are going to follow. The report cited the entry of mainstream brands including Walmart, Nike, and Adidas into the Metaverse. So you need to really ask yourself, what is my Metaverse strategy? And business leaders of big companies asking themselves, what is their Metaverse strategy? Another big news of today: New York Stock Exchange are going to be launching an NFT marketplace with the latest patent filing, and this is crazy, throwing a competition to OpenSea and Ruble when it comes to NFT marketplace. So this is a big deal, and a big company like this showcasing NFT marketplace, right? That's what it's saying. On February 10th, the New York Stock Exchange filed a trademark to register New York Stock Exchange for goods and services surrounding metaverse-related technologies like augmented reality, mixed reality software, alongside various iterations of cryptocurrencies, tokens, digital assets, and NFTs. There you go. Now, we have another push in the US. Congressman, if this bill, the Keep Your Coins Act, is going to pass, essentially what it means that the government cannot protest, they cannot ban the use and conduct of transaction through a self-hosted wallet. So basically giving freedom to the people as it should be. Not unlike what happened in Canada when they essentially seized and captured those transactions for the support of the truckers in Canada. So if this bill comes through it definitely is going to provide more freedom in the US forever this thing happening again. Now the Binance company removing its own name from the blockchain network, and they're going to rebrand it, and they're going to call it BNB chain, and in a move to support the MetaFi push. And MetaFi essentially means the NFTs, the DeFi, and the Metaverse plan. So they previously had two different chains, right? The BNB Beacon chain and the BNB Smart chain. So now they are moving into one ecosystem and just call it the BNB chain. So get used to it. Now let's talk about some cool L1 projects that you should be aware about. And if you look at a DeFi Llama and the total value locked in all change, you can see Ethereum leading was $127 billion total value log. And you can see that Terra Luna is number 2 with $16 billion, and it's currently pretty much undervalued with a market cap versus the TVL. You can see it 1.38, which is like 4 times smaller than the BNB right here. And a lot of cool stuff is happening on Terra Luna. You can see the Anchor protocol, which is built on top of the Terra Luna, allows people to earn a passive 19.42% APY just by staking the stablecoin of UST. So the stablecoin UST becomes more and more popular. Like for example, the Kraken exchange is listing right now the Terra Money UST deposits begin live on February the 17th, so it's getting more and more traction, more popular. And you can see the Luna is currently undervalued. This chart shows the price of Luna compared to the supply of UST. While the supply of UST stablecoin is continuously increasing, the price of Luna lags behind. In the meantime, Luna total supply versus Luna price suggests an undervaluation as well. So not a bad time right now at $56 approximately to buy some more Terra Luna. Now another one is Phantom. Phantom has just crossed 2 million wallet addresses. It's going like crazy. The Phantom wallet, and of course Phantom is also supported by the MetaMask as well. Back in 2017, when Ethereum crossed 2 million wallet addresses, they did an 11x within the next 8 months. In 2022, can Phantom do $30 in 8 months too? Let's see. That'll be really amazing. Really amazing for the Phantom ecosystem. You see a lot of updates coming all the time for the Phantom. This was the latest one, Phantom Foundation blog general update, and Solidly is launching the new automated market maker with the innovative token model created by Andre, launched on Phantom on February the 10th. So yeah, things are happening. Another blockchain to pay attention to is Algorand. Algorand is essentially being used in the new decentralized music licensing platform Dequency that raises $4.5 million for the development of this platform. And also Algorand could be the next Solana because El Salvador, which deemed Bitcoin as the legal tender, essentially they are building on top of Algorand. Check this out. Algorand recently announced the launch of the Algorand virtual machine. This will allow the Algorand blockchain to be useful to developers and organizations to develop DeFi smart contracts. A blockchain cryptocurrency company, Glitter Finance, decided to integrate the Algorand DeFi ecosystem with Solana. And also, El Salvador recently recognized Bitcoin as valid payment, and Algorand was selected as the official blockchain platform for the project. So there you go. Another one is Cardano. Now Cardano is kind of lagging behind despite, in terms of price, despite the transaction volume that right now beats Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. That's right. In the last 24 hours, we saw Cardano transaction volume of $17.56 billion, which is more than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Pretty cool. And the Sunday swap is gaining popularity, is gaining more traction. There are DEX on Cardano, so I think it is just the beginning phase for the Cardano. We have Avalanche, and Avalanche that is flipping the Binance Smart Chain in total value logged. just recently, so that is gaining steam. A lot of dApps are being built on the Avalanche. And the gem that I am the most excited about is Kadena. Kadena is an undervalued gem in the crypto DeFi space, layer 1 solution. This is absolutely amazing what they're coming with right now. The Kadena Echo, for example, a new initiative designed to bring together the biggest thinkers in the industry, top-tier tech talent, and unparalleled strategic capital to fuel Kadena's ecosystem hyper growth. And Kadena, you can see right here, turbocharging mainstream adoption with Kadena Echo. They plan to deliver a lot of cool stuff. An incubator for hands-on technical development, an accelerator for early capital, research and development, grant programs, venture fund offering smart capital and strategic growth, and of course the zero gas fee, the CADEX, which name CADEX, like this. CADEX official, follow the CADEX official announcements, and you can see things are happening. Things are happening on the Kadena ecosystem, and right now it's still cheap. KDX public sale just finished recently, right here, and yeah, we are early on Kadena. I think Kadena has the chance to grow from here to like another 10x or 20x at least, to like $100 or $200. Right now it's $7.6. It already saw some big growth, but this is just the beginning for the Kadena ecosystem. Now, more news stories for adoption. The Aussie trading platform Selfwalls offering crypto trading to 325,000 users. The more adoption, the better. We see digital ruble trials goes live, and Bank of Russia insisting on Bitcoin ban. Come on, Bank of Russia, come on. We already discussed that. What the fuck is going on right here, right? And essentially, right now they're piloting out the digital ruble, and 3 banks out of 12 financial institutions already integrated the central bank digital currency platform. So there you go. And essentially they're fighting the crypto because they want to have the digital ruble in the hands of the Russians. And vice opposite stance to Russia is Belarus. The president of Belarus signed a decree to support free circulation of crypto. Crypto for everybody in Belarus. And by the way, Marmalade is coming on Kadena, providing complete infrastructure to launch run game-changing NFT marketplaces. So absolutely amazing. You can see the testnet is live, and it's going to build a lot of applications on Kadena. And YouTube is hiring an executive to lead Web 1.3 strategies. So very soon we're going to see new vision and new things that are happening in YouTube in regards to NFTs, in regard to Web 3.0. And of course, the Drip network community. If you want to learn how to stake in the hottest DeFi project of this year, built on the Binance Smart Chain that you can stake and earn a high yield of upwards of 365% a year with the Drip network. You can learn more about it, and actually created a platform, a membership, educational membership area that you can go to at earndefirewards.com, create a free account and access to the DeFi gems, DeFi passive income plays, educational videos and resources, or essentially everything that you need in order to capture the DeFi opportunities in the space. So that's what I want to share with you. I hope you appreciate the content and learning a lot with every single day in the crypto space. So smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.